The ocean is one of the most beautiful places on Earth, yet it is also one of the most unknown due to its vastness and the fact that we can't see inside of it. There are parts of our own planet that have been more explored than the ocean. Despite this, there are still many wonderful creatures living in the ocean that make it such an interesting place. Some of these animals are huge, and others are very small. Some are also very intelligent. So here are 10 of the most amazing animals that live in the sea today. Number 10. Giant squid. The giant squid is probably the most famous deep-sea creature around the world, and for good reason. These massive squids can grow up to 13 meters long and weigh over 250 kilograms. They are known to prey on whales, seals, and even sharks. While there are no confirmed giant squid attacks on humans, they are definitely capable of killing people if they wanted to. Because of their size, it was believed that giant squid don't really exist, but there has been plenty of evidence that proves otherwise. Giant squid have been found washed ashore on several occasions, and there have also been several videos taken of them in the wild. 9. Stargazer fish. The stargazer fish is a very strange-looking fish that lives on the bottom of the ocean. It has a huge head and eyes that stick out like a frog, which helps it to look for food above it. Its body is elongated and flat like a pancake, which allows it to camouflage itself on the seabed. The stargazer fish is a carnivore, and it uses its large mouth to eat crustaceans, worms, and other small animals that it finds on the seabed. When it is not looking for food, the stargazer fish will often bury itself in the sand to protect itself from predators. The stargazer fish is found in the Atlantic Ocean, from Canada to Brazil, and in the Pacific Ocean, from Japan to Chile. No. 8. Mimic octopus. The mimic octopus is one of the most intelligent animals in the ocean. It is known to be able to mimic the behavior of other animals, including other octopuses, sea snakes, lionfish, and even jellyfish. It does this by copying their color patterns and movements. The mimic octopus is also able to change its own skin color and texture to match that of the animal it is mimicking. This allows it to ambush its prey or avoid being eaten itself. The mimic octopus is found in the waters of Indonesia, and it typically lives in coral reefs. 7. Vampire squid. The vampire squid is another very strange-looking animal that lives in the deep ocean. It has a large head and 8 arms that are lined with sharp suckers. Its eyes are big and black, and it has a dark red body that is covered in spines. The vampire squid gets its name from the fact that it feeds on dead animals that float down from the surface of the water. It is also known to attack live animals, including fish and other squid. The vampire squid is found in all of the world's oceans, but is most common in the Atlantic Ocean. 6. Anglerfish. The anglerfish is a very scary-looking fish that lives in the deep ocean. It has a huge mouth with sharp teeth that it uses to eat plankton and other small fish. The anglerfish is also known for its ability to lure prey using a special light that it produces on its head. This light is actually a modified dorsal fin spine that has a symbiotic relationship with bioluminescent bacteria. The bacteria live in the anglerfish's head and produce light when they are exposed to air. The anglerfish can control the intensity and color of the light by adjusting the amount of oxygen that the bacteria receive. The anglerfish is found in all of the world's oceans and is a common sight in deep-sea fishing trawls. Number 5. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal that has ever lived on Earth. It is estimated to weigh over 190 tons and can grow up to 30 meters long. The blue whale is a mammal, and it breathes air through a series of holes on the top of its head. It also has a thick layer of blubber that helps it to keep warm in cold water. The blue whale is a carnivore, and it eats krill and other small fish. It uses its massive size and speed to chase down schools of fish or to engulf them by simply opening its huge mouth. The blue whale is found in all of the world's oceans and is a common sight during whale watching tours. 4. Coelacanth. The coelacanth is a very ancient fish that was thought to have gone extinct millions of years ago. However, in 1938, a fisherman off the coast of South Africa caught one of these so-called extinct fish and brought it to shore. The coelacanth is a large, heavy-set fish with a big head and mouth. Its body is covered in rough scales, and it has a pair of fins on either side of its body that it uses to swim. The coelacanth is a carnivore, and it eats shrimp, crabs, and other small fish. It is believed that the coelacanth has not changed much in over 100 million years. No. 3. Goblin shark. The goblin shark is another scary-looking fish that lives in the deep ocean. It has a long, slender body with a pointed head. Its mouth is huge and filled with sharp teeth that it uses to eat prey. The goblin shark is also known for its ability to extend its jaws forward in order to capture prey. This is a unique adaptation that allows the goblin shark to eat prey that is larger than its own head. The goblin shark is found in the deep waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. No. 2. Sperm whale. The sperm whale is the largest toothed whale in the world. It is estimated to weigh up to 80 tons and can grow over 15 meters long. The sperm whale is a carnivore, and it eats squid, fish, and other marine mammals. It uses its massive size and strength to chase down prey or to engulf it in its mouth. The sperm whale is also known for its huge head, which makes up about 1/3 of its total body length. The sperm whale is found in all of the world's oceans, but is most common in the Atlantic Ocean. Number 1. Kraken. The kraken is a legendary sea monster that is said to live in the ocean. The kraken is said to be a giant octopus or squid that is big enough to swallow a whole ship. While there is no scientific evidence that the kraken exists, there are many stories and legends about this mysterious creature. The kraken is said to live in the North Sea, and it is believed that it is responsible for the disappearance of many ships. The kraken is also said to be able to control the weather, and it is often seen as a symbol of the power of nature. There have been many sightings of the kraken over the years, but none of them have been confirmed. Some people believe that the kraken is nothing more than a myth, while others believe that it is a real animal that has simply been hidden from us. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch my others. Thanks for watching. See you next time.